everybody, and welcome back to Pony Sparkle Toys. Today I've got 3 more of my Christmas presents to review. And before I review any of them, I hope you are all having an amazing 2019. We are reviewing Sparkle Bright Princess Twilight Sparkle from Explore Equestria. She lights up. We have also got another Twilight Sparkle. It says Shimmer Flutters. It's the Shimmer Flutters Twilight Sparkle. Also from Explore Equestria. And then I've got the All About Big Macintosh Pony. Yes! Finally I have Applejack and Apple Bloom's brother. We are first going to start with the best. Instead of saving best for last, we're going to do best first. Big Mac. In a Big Macintosh, or Big Mac, which is what I normally say, because Big Mac is his nickname in the show, we just get Big Mac all on his own with a comb. This comb is a little bit of a lighter orange than his mane and tail. But what I found really weird is that he has a mohawk, but if you look at the picture of him there, he does not have a mohawk. And it would be nice if they came with his like brown necklace thing for the farm work. I'm just going to take the elastic band out. Don't need it. He is awesome. Comment down below if you have him or if you think he's cool. There are a few things I don't really like about him, like they messed up his freckles, his mane shape is wrong, but let's be real guys and be happy. There's a Big Mac, My Little Pony, like yay! Like thank goodness there is a Big Macintosh pony. We need more boy ponies in toy version. He is cool, and he'll be good to use in videos. Yep! That sounded really weird. Sparkle Bright Twilight Sparkle! Princess Twilight Sparkle. She shines with the magic of friendship. It's nice that I have her now. And it says 1.5VA76LR44. These are the type of batteries that Twilight Sparkle needs. And she's 3+. And she has a zap code for the Celebration Act, which is kind of old now because this Twilight came out in 2016. 2016 Hasbro. Warning sheet, which is so thick. Let's see how thick it is. Oh, there's 2. But yeah, this is so thick. Oh my god. Look how big this is. We don't need these. Instructions for the batteries. And the Explore Equestria manual. Twilight Sparkle! It's cool that she lights up. beautiful. Now all I need is to light up Princess Luna and Princess Cadence. Twilight, she's wonderful. Now it is time for the Shimmer Flutters, Twilight Sparkle, also from Explorer Equestria. Princess Twilight Sparkle. She discovers magic wherever she goes. She is wonderful. And I'm just going to need my scissors to open her up. Aww. It's the Golden Oak Library. It's Twilight's bedroom. I find it a bit odd that the Golden Oak Library is in the background of this playset toy, because the library blew up in Series 4 when they were on Rainbow Power. So they should have had Twilight's Castle. It's a bit weird. Warning. Purple comb. Here she is. She came with a yellow tiara. And I'm just going to put the yellow tiara on her. Wow. And look at her wings. Separating the wings to show that there are two. It's a pink heart, and there's the My Little Pony logo. And the wings are purple fabric with silver stars, and the stars are the shape of Twilight Sparkle's cutie mark. And I'm just going to put the wings in with that hole at the back. Absolutely beautiful. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's toy review of Twilight Sparkle with the fabric wings that are really pretty. Big Macintosh. And my Light Up Twilight Sparkle. Out of the three I reviewed, choose your favourite. Mine's actually the Light Up Twilight Sparkle. She's really pretty. I mean, Big Mac is awesome. It's amazing to finally have him as a brushable pony. But there are a few things I don't like about him. And that Twilight is pretty. So remember to give my videos a big thumbs up. Subscribe for 3 new videos a week. Monday, Tuesday, and sorry I did not upload on Tuesday. I wasn't well, I had a few seizures. And Friday, which is today. Remember to stay magical, Sparkle Ponies. Bye!